Mae'r het I ffwrdd wrth I ni edrych ar Bencampwriaeth, y Rhan-Frid Cymreig, y gorau o'r goreion yn yr adran yma. Lle ath y penderfyniad?
Dwi'n credu a'r penderfyniad wedi mynd I Hillocks Moonlight Flit. Gewn ni fod yn siŵr wrth gweld yr hufen. Dyna fe. Wir, Karen Hill, Hillocks Moonlight Flit, sydd wedi cael ei gyroni fel Prif Bencampwr yr adran. Adfarch Sioe yn dwylo brofiadus iawn. Jerome Harforth yn dangos ar rhan y perchynog Karen Hill. O'n i'n sôn heledd, mae'r ceffyl bach hyn wedi cael ei fagu wrth march Willowcroft Regal Bronze dath o Dramor, o Australia.
Felly mae'r diddordeb ar draws y byd i'r bridiau Cymreig.
Mae fe.
Hyd yn oed os mae'r Rhan-Frid, mae yna wad Cymraeg, felly mae'r delight yno. Mae
yna, a wrth gwrs mae rhaid gweud, dod i'r wlad hyn, mae nhw I Gymru I gael y gwad gorau wrth gwrs, ond mae wedi digwydd y ffordd arall rhwng fan hyn. Odi, mae hwn wrth y march Willowcroft Regal Bronze ac allan o Hillocks Morning Call.
A Jerome Harforth?
Mae hwn yn ddyn o enwog iawn sydd yn...
Fe sy'n dangos.
Fe sy'n dangos, ond mae fe'n trafod cyffylau am perchynog. Un o'r gorau yn y busnes wedyn ni, Jerome, mae rhaid gweud. Fel ni'n gweld fan hyn.
Yn brofiadol iawn.
Ydy mae fe yn ei gwaith, David. Ti'n gweld, mae'r cyffylau Rhan-Frid, mae rhaid plethu nhw, mae rhaid cael tyma bach o'r bling a'r plethu a'r trimo. Ti'n gallu neud ni yn yr adran hyn.
Ar beirniad, Andrew Phillips yn edrych fel sydd wedi mwynhau I waith yn beirniadu i'r Rhan-Frid. Y tro cyntaf wrthos yma I ni weld Andrew wrth I waith ac wedi bod yn gweithio gyda'r ceffylau ers dros 100 mlynedd yn dod o ochrau Llandysul. Y brydfa amar.
Diddorol, o'n i'n cael sgwrs gan arach wrth gwrs am I waith I gwaith dydd fel ffisio cyffylau yn dyfe. Ond just hala fi wenu tyma bach mae'n reol yn Gymdeithas Gymraeg. Wyt ti'n ffili twtch ar y feiled wrth beirniadu? Wyt ti'n ffili trafod nhw o gwbl?
Bydde fe iddo fe, achos mae'n mor gyfarwydd yn ei de.
Llon llaw wedyn ni, I just I weld.
Wel, dyma chi olygfa wych i'r gynulleidfa a ginunau sy'n gwylio fan hyn. Hillocks Moonlight Flit yn eiddo I Karen Hill ac yn cael ei ddangos gan Jerome Harforth. Dyna chi Bencampwr yr Rhan-Frid Cymreig yma yn y prif gylch yn 2024.
And then taking reserve, a local person with 1327. And that's Joanne Sioe with her mare, so with her against stock. So, llongyfarchiadau mawr I chi heddiw. And as we close the competition, I would just like to thank again the judge for the day, Mr. Andrew Phillips from Gamastad. Ceredigion, you've had a good number coming forward here today, and I hope that you've been happy and that you've enjoyed the experience of being in the main ring here in at the Royal Welsh Showground, judging these fine animals that have come in front of you.
Well, Jerome Harforth, I did interview earlier on today, and we did have high hopes for this pony, and they have surely fulfilled them.
They have. He's performed super on the day. I'm thrilled with him. In front of the grandstand, he's performed really well, and I think this is my third Part-bred Welsh Championship with the Royal Welsh, so very good.
This is fantastic. Now, you did mention that you'd imported his father from Australia. How important is it to be selecting different bloodlines?
I felt in the UK we were getting short of a gene pool, and I went out to Australia and judged, and a lot of the ponies I judged were by a stallion called Regal Emblem. And then I went to the Willowcroft stud, saw Regal Bronze as a yearling in the paddock, and I saw his father, his mother, his grandparents.
Liked what you saw?
I liked what I saw, and I thought, well, this stallion can't not breed on because his ancestors are so good, and he's proved an amazing sire for us.
He definitely has. Well, many, many congratulations, and we'll see you later for the prize family.
All right then, thank you.
Thank you.